Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change bank account on PayPal. Whether you've opened a new bank account, switched banks, or simply want to update your payment information, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to do it. If you need to update the bank account connected to your PayPal profile, the process is very simple and only takes a few moments. Once completed, you'll be able to continue sending, receiving, and transferring money without any interruptions. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the correct PayPal account and have the details for the new bank account ready, since you'll need them when linking the replacement account. Having this information available beforehand can make the process much quicker and help you avoid unnecessary delays. Once you're on your PayPal account homepage, go to the Wallet section. This is where PayPal stores your payment methods, including any linked cards and bank accounts. Think of it as the central place for managing all of your financial connections within PayPal. After you open Wallet, you'll be able to see the bank account that is currently connected, along with any other saved payment options. Take a moment to review the information displayed so you can confirm which bank account is currently active. From here, find your old bank account and click on it to open its details. You should see an option to remove it. Select Remove to disconnect that bank account from your PayPal account. This helps ensure that future transfers and transactions are associated with the correct banking information. This step is important if you no longer use that bank account or if you want to keep your payment methods up to date and organized. Keeping outdated payment methods on your account can sometimes create confusion when making transfers or managing payments. If PayPal asks you to confirm the removal, go ahead and confirm it. This is a normal security step designed to prevent accidental changes to your account. After the old bank account has been removed, stay in the wallet area and click the option that says Link a Bank. This will begin the process of adding your new bank account. PayPal will guide you through the setup process with a series of simple prompts. Follow the prompts on the screen and enter the requested bank account information carefully. It's a good idea to double-check everything before submitting, just to make sure there are no typing mistakes that could delay the setup. Even a small error in an account number or routing information could require you to repeat the process. Once you finish linking the new bank account, PayPal may review or verify the account depending on your region or bank. If that happens, simply follow any on-screen instructions to complete the connection. In some cases, PayPal may ask you to confirm small test deposits or complete an additional verification step for security purposes. In many cases, the process is quick and straightforward. Most users can complete the entire update in just a few minutes without needing to contact support. And that's it. You've successfully changed the bank account on your PayPal account. Your new bank account should now be ready to use for eligible PayPal transactions and transfers. As a final tip, after linking the new bank account, take a quick look through your wallet to make sure the correct account is now listed and the old one is no longer there. Taking a few seconds to verify everything can help prevent issues later on. Keeping your payment information current can help avoid issues with transfers or payments later on. It's also a good habit to periodically review your saved payment methods to ensure all information remains accurate and secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your PayPal bank account easily. If you found this tutorial useful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple step-by-step guides and helpful tech tutorials.